Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and right here we have to scroll down to find the security and the lock screen. Now let's scroll down also to the privacy section, and as you can see on the second position we've got encryption and credentials. So this is the option we're looking for. Let's tap on it. And here in the credential storage, almost at the very bottom, we've got clear credentials option. So let's tap on it, confirm it. And as you can see, if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And after that, you've got this information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, as you can see, I cannot tap on this option again, which simply means and confirms that we just removed the certificates. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.